Good morning. My name is Pranay Kumar Shetty with roll number 2018600. As a part of our AI course, I have done a research on the topic and I'm going to present it to you. So before going details, what's artificial intelligence? So AI, it's actually the ability of a machine or a computer program to think and learn on its own. So the concept of AI is based on the idea of building machines capable of thinking, acting, and learning exactly like humans. So, in general use, the term artificial intelligence means a machine which mimics or copies human cognition. So, my topic is AI in Google Lens. So, what's Google Lens actually? It's an image recognition technology which has been developed by Google. It is designed to bring up relevant information about the objects it identifies using visual-based neural network. Google Lens officially launched in 2017 on October 4th, with pre-installed previews only onto the Google Pixel phones. But on March 5th, 2018, Google officially released the Google Lens into the Play Store. It requires Android Marshmallow with a minimum version. So, in simple words, Google Lens brings Google's use of AI into the physical world. So, during its release at iOS 7 annual meet, Google iOS 17 annual meet, so the CEO, Sundar Pichai, has said about Google Lens is a powerful AI-driven visual search engine. So, what Google Lens can actually do? There are some set of features which Google Lens can do. So, these are some features which we need to discuss before going into the technology. So, the first one is the smart text search. Smart strategy has been search strategy that allows you to enter as much text as you like to search some to search about something. So, and one more is text copy. So, if you have an image, you can scan the image, and there is some text in that image. You can copy that text from this image. It's one of the wonderful feature. Copying the text from an image and sending it as a text file. It's a good thing. Next comes the barcode scanner. So it scans and recognizes the information from the barcode. Next comes the detection, the face and the landmark detection. It can detect multiple faces present in an image and also identifies if a face is a celebrity face or not. So it also gives the facial attributes precisely and also the emotional states of the person. Coming to the landmark recognition, any natural and man-made structures within an image, it can detect those. So the final comes the image labeling. Labeling the given image on the basis of different identifiers or tags it can assign to that image by identifying the information it detects. So these are some features which it can do. So before going into the image labeling feature which want to present to you, we need to know about the TensorFlow. It's a Google Brain's second generation system. It is free and open source software library for data flow and programming across a range of tasks. It was developed by Google Brain team for research and production at Google. So, Google Lens runs a TensorFlow machine learning framework to match the images with certain keywords or labels like this. So, labels are then linked with Google's knowledge graph, which is a collection of tens of billions of pieces of factual information. Within a blink of eye, Google returns some results that are generally accurate. Here we can see for each subject it has taken some predictions and taken for the clouds it has taken a green color, for tree grass which is everything green, it has taken a blue color. For the person, the boat, it has taken the red color. So this is the image labeling technology. So how it actually works? There is a solution developed by Google called fluid annotation, which will cut down the image labeling time dramatically. Within a blink of an eye, it can be done. So what annotation means? I mean, it starts from the output of the image segmentation model. So here the image segmentation model which they have taken is mask RCNN, which generates roughly about 1000 image segments with class labels and confidence scores. So we can see the architecture of mask RCNN over here. So it first take the input image and cut it down into segments, and then process each segment. Okay, then the segmented are sent to the RPN model, and this with a binary class and the delta box will be sent into the ROI. So mask RCNN uses ROI alignment, which does not digitalize the boundaries of the cells. Like we can see over here, for each and everything, for the boat, the person, the tree, the clouds, there are some boundaries. So these boundaries are not digitalized by the ROI alignment. So by the ROI. So which is a next, this is the stage 1 of the segmentation. So now the segmented pixels or crunches will be sent to the MRCNN, actual MRCNN, which is the short form of MTT plus RCNN, which is a deep convolution neural network for image classification. So this will classify the image into segmentations and make some colorings, which we can see. Which we can see over here. So there is a word set by the research scientists at Google. This fluid annotation, which is developed by Google, is a first exploratory step towards making the inner image annotation faster and easier. So this is the technology behind image labeling. And in case of photos containing a text, which I have said before, which is the feature I like the best. So a character recognition system is used to allow copying and translation of any words found. So and one more thing is, Google makes use of its spelling correction suggestions from search within Lens to try and discern whether any mistakes have been made, and propelling the proper results for us. So this is the technology behind the Google Lens.